Let me introduce you some new product that we are presenting in Mobile World Congress in Barcelona 2025. We have three categories of SOHO, one layer, two layer that is connected, and Nucleus Hyper. These are the solution for the SOHO, small medium business and enterprise. In the SOHO we have router, DBR560 is a Wi-Fi 6 2.5 giga WAN router connected to the access point, and two different kind of business router, 8 port and 8 port plus the optical port. Concerning the mid-side, so Nucleus connected solution, we have here the unmanaged switches series or the edge switches. Both has up to 10 giga port. The unmanaged switches is 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, connected to the external Wi-Fi access point that can be Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7. For the enterprise, we have an aggregation layer 10 giga and external access point EIP Wi-Fi 7. This is up to 5,000 users. The layer 2 connector is up to 2,000 users, while the Nucleus SOHO solution is based for 10 to 50 user maximum. Let's continue with industrial switches, where we are proposing the new series. It's based on 5 different models, from the basic one with 5 ports, one and 4 LAN port, to the big brother, the 310G series, for which we have 16 giga port to the 5 giga plus 8 SFP to host the optical ports. These products are designed to work in the industrial environment with temperature up to 70 degrees, lower minus 20 degrees. This is the new product that we are working to be introduced in the market in the second half of the year. It's designed for the micro data center. It's a quite new product for our company. We were already present in the data center with 10 giga switches, but this is the first time that we are providing 48 port 25 giga SFP solution. The connected home solution, where we have 2 kind of routers, Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7. Both of the routers are with an embedded 360 degrees antennas that are able to spread the Wi-Fi over all the home environment. Both are connected through an app where you can install the device and control the power emission. The smart home solution, this is a motherboard, meaning that M30 and M60 product are the central hub inside the home to be connected with the third-party vendor, Matter certified, in order to have an IoT inside the houses. To complete the solution, we are presenting here a smart plug, 2 cameras, 2K and 4K, and 1 external cameras. Work from home solution. This is a suite of products for the smart office and smart workers, where we have the Wi-Fi 6 router with 5G connectivities, with some devices like a USB adapter for the port, 4K to connect your computer set to the monitors, charger, and the hard disk drive, if you want to store your hard disk inside the hub in order to increase the availability of terabyte in your home premises. On top of this, we have a solution that we are proposing for the on-the-go, meaning the people and the students that are usually traveling by train or by airplane, whatever. And is based on 5G MIFI, is Wi-Fi 6 plus the 5G. We have USB adapter, charger, with different plugs for different countries. Power batteries in different versions and different sites. 4G router to be connected through the USB port, and the Wi-Fi 7 connectors. Let's switch to the machine-to-machine portfolio, where we have three main product line: the transit telematic, the IoT, and the data connectivity. The first one is dedicated to the passengers, for train, for railway, for this kind of industrial application. IoT connectivities for a production plant to connect the production line with the data center. And finally, 4G and 5G devices for data transmission. All these are for industrial application. Ubiquitous access. All this suite of product is designed to have a 5G and 4G access. 5G Wi-Fi 7 gateway that we launched this year to connect the home or the SOHO customers. Two different models of Wi-Fi MiFi 5G product with the LCD or without the LCD. A new 4G to connect your access point and your devices to do the access point, and the 4G LTE in two different versions, two different CAT. This is the product portfolio that we are presenting here in Mobile World Congress. The peculiarity is the white color and the plastic that is recycled plastic from the ocean, because we want to distinguish ourselves to other vendors.